Drones are increasingly being used to inspect infrastructure such as buildings and wind farms, both on and offshore, for safety and maintenance scheduling. Modern drones have sophisticated sensors and control systems to avoid colliding with physical objects. However, high wind speeds, gusts, and aerodynamic vortices and shear layers pose an invisible threat because drones and other air mobility platforms cannot see the air. That's where AirSight comes in. The route planning and automated collision avoidance systems for modern drones can use AirSight data service from Xenotech to navigate around aerodynamic hazards using dynamic exclusion zones. Dynamic exclusion zones, based on high-fidelity aerodynamic simulations in AirSight, are used to prevent drones from entering airspaces that would put them or nearby infrastructure and personnel at risk. In recent trials of the integrated system, an inspection drone from Aerial Works, using AirSight exclusion zones, was able to conduct a planned wind farm inspection mission, adapting its route to avoid the wake behind the wind turbines.